Because I want to welcome in my guest for this hour, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Thank you for being with us on this busy Tuesday. And I'm looking forward to hearing your insight on this because this appears to be a very seasoned defense attorney, and she's really picking apart the investigation. And I'm wondering, from your perspective and your analysis, if it's beneficial that this case is so old, because this crime happened in 2019, as the state alleges. And back then, they don't wear body cameras like they do now, but the jurors in the box are used to today's policies and the way things are done today.
Complete great insight, Matt. Yes, that's exactly how it is. When I was a young attorney, on my training, when I was becoming a public defender, on the first day of training, the seasoned attorney told us everything you can do to kick a case down the road, you do, right? And the more serious the crime, the more pushy you become on delaying dates, right? It was just ingrained in us since day one. So yes, it absolutely helps the defendant that this crime happened in 2019. I'm still kind of baffled that he was out on bail even after all the stuff that came out about the incident. But yes, this crime is old. This crime is before COVID-19 happened, a year before COVID-19 happened. So it's a very, very, very old thing. So it does help him. The defense attorney is doing a fantastic job, right? She obviously has to contend with some really, really grotesque facts. So she knows that the jury, by the time this case is done, the jury is going to have to weigh a very big, massive, difficult burden for her and her client, which is the statements by the victim as she was dying, right? She's going to have to contend with that by the end of this trial. So for now, she wants to make this as boring as possible. She wants to poke as many holes in the investigation as possible. And it's going to be easy for her to do it, Matt. You know why? Because when this incident first happened, police were not really involved. This was not really investigated as a crime at the beginning. It was investigated as a medical situation. Only when the victim came back to life and told everybody what happened was it really investigated aggressively as a crime. We know that this defense attorney is a very prominent attorney. She's doing a fantastic job. I don't think anybody could do a better job than she's doing right now.